Hey guys, welcome back to Triple L Rustic Designs. In this video, we're testing out our brand new chainsaw. Stick around to find out what it is. Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. It is the coldest day of the year here, right at 36 degrees, so that is why I am all bundled up. But for the past year, I've been asking Trey for my very own chainsaw, and for Christmas, he finally got me one. And today, we're gonna use it for the first time here at the shop. This is the STIHL MSA 60C 36-volt battery-powered chainsaw. This chainsaw is only 6 pounds without the battery and only 9 pounds with the AK-20 battery installed. It's light enough for me to handle easily, but still packs a powerful punch. This saw comes standard with a 12-inch bar and chain and claims to have up to a 40-minute runtime. We're going to test it out today on this log in front of me. Oftentimes at the shop, we get logs that need to be limbed before we can put the log up on the sawmill. This is the perfect job for the STIHL MSA 60. So I'm going to work my way around this log, cutting off all the limbs, and then we're going to get this bad boy up on the mill. Larry's gonna spin the log for me so I can get the rest of the limbs, and then it'll be ready. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I am super impressed by this MSA 60 chainsaw. It limbed this log, no problem. This is quiet, super lightweight, and got the job done. Now, the final test before we get this log up on the sawmill is I need to clean up the butt ends of the log. And this butt end is probably a little bit bigger than 12 inches, so I'm gonna have to take it from both sides. But let's see how it does. Easy work. Man, I love the STIHL battery-powered chainsaw. If you guys are in the market for a battery-powered chainsaw or any STIHL chainsaw, I highly recommend you head over to I4 Power Equipment right here in Plant City. They're fabulous people. And if you let them know that Zoe from Triple L Rustic Designs sent you, you'll get a discount off your purchase. Now, let's get this log up on the sawmill and let's get into it. We've had a lot of customers recently come into the shop looking for charcuterie board slabs. So I have this Eastern red cedar up here on the sawmill, and I'm going to cut it into 1-inch thick live edge slabs. Also, the blade we're using today is a 4-degree blade from Wood-Mizer. If you need any blades for your sawmill, I highly recommend you head over to Wood-Mizer and check them out. All right, let's get to cutting. Let's see what the cedar looks like. This is a long one. Man, I always love red cedar. I haven't cut it in a while, but this is beautiful. Let's see if I can. All right, I'm gonna flip the log over and then continue my cuts. got a couple more cuts done. Let's pull them off and see what we got. This piece is pretty useless. But let's see what's underneath. Nice. We can work with this. And then we got this one. Nice, beautiful redwood under there. Beautiful colors. Nice. Man, I love cedar. These are gonna be perfect for making some charcuterie boards. These knots really put a lot of character in these slabs. Excellent. I just made my last cut. I'm gonna leave that final cut at 2 inches. That'll be fine. But we got 3 really nice charcuterie board slabs. And I think we can probably get another cut out of that top piece. But we'll be able to make a lot of nice charcuterie boards out of these. And then that bottom cut that's still at 2 inches can be made into like tables or shelving. So we'll still get good use out of that. But I'm really happy with these slabs. I love cedar. It looks beautiful and it smells good too. So I'm happy with that and I'm happy with these slabs. If you guys didn't see, there's a burl on the log and you can see it really well right here. There's a lot of cool figure on this slab from that burl. I'm gonna grab the water hose and water it down a little bit so we can really see the cool colors. Oh, that color is so beautiful. Look at that burl. Really cool figure in there. That is gonna make a beautiful charcuterie board. We got some nice knots here that make this fun. I actually really like these slabs and I'm excited for some customers to come in and see these slabs because I know they can make some really cool stuff out of them. All right guys, that's gonna do it for this video today. Once again, if you are in the market for a battery powered chainsaw or any steel chainsaw, I highly recommend you head over to I4 Power and Equipment located right here in Plant City, Florida. Let them know that Triple L Rustic Designs sent you and you get a discount on your purchase. I wanna know what you guys think about my brand new chainsaw and about these beautiful slabs, so make sure you drop a comment in the comment section below this video. And as always, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for future videos. We'll see you on the next one.